Hey guys, Dave at HD Trucks and Equip. I've got a really nice truck here. I'm going to try to get it done, starting to sprinkle now, of course. Hey, we got a beautiful 2014 Freightliner Cascadia CA125 single cab, day cab, tandem axle, loaded for bear, guys. This thing is a beautiful truck. Wait until you see this thing. That's got 90-gallon tank on the driver's side, 80-gallon tank on the passenger side. It's got steel wheels, but holy mackerel, look at the rubber on this thing. My goodness. Oh, look at there. It's got a air slide fifth wheel on it for you. Airbag suspension. Nice. LED lighting, mud flaps, everything on this thing is good to go. Like I say, the tires on this are tremendous. Got the little place there for you to walk around on to hook up your airlines and all that kind of good stuff. It's got the work lights built into it, integrated right there. Of course, it's got all the steps and all that so you can get in it. Front tires are just as good as the back ones. Look at this here. Holy mackerel, you do not get much cleaner than that. And I'm going to just kind of go like that. Hopefully that'll help. Look at the upholstery in this. That don't look like it's hardly been sat in, guys. Absolutely incredible. Look how clean this is. My goodness. It's too clean to sell. Beautiful. No, you get to be the first one to bang it up. Hey, I love those Fender mounted mirrors. Those things are so slick. Freightliner's really got a good looking grill on their trucks. That is a nice looking unit all the way around. Gonna get inside here and show you a couple things on it. As I say, air ride driver's seat and air ride passenger seat. Nice, I love it. And this has got more stuff on it than I'm probably gonna know how to show you. This has got a lot of stuff. Of course, you got your power door locks and your power windows and outside power mirrors. Let's see, cruise controls here. You even got a remote switch here. See that up there, that little green light? You got a remote switch right there to turn on the Jake brake. All of the controls, heated mirrors, Jake brake, manual regen, of course, utility lights, heating and air conditioning. Hey, that's a nice old Eaton 10-speed right there. Clean, straight. Look at there, locking, sliding fifth wheel. I showed you that. Locking axle. Air dump if you want to lower it down to get underneath the trailer. That looks like that's probably a factory sound system. Sounds good too. Just going to turn that down since I really don't need the competition right now. Look at this right here. Hopefully you can pick that up. 3,400 hours and 103 on the mileage. Stout, heavy duty truck. Oh, did I mention what's in front of that 10-speed? We've got ourselves a nice little Detroit 15-liter. I guess it's actually like a 14.8, something like that. Man, does that thing got a lot of power on it. This thing is loaded. You can pull, you can do anything you need with this. Oh, looky, even like the little air horns on that. Of course, you got the power outlet there, power outlets there. I guess you could hang a phone or something on there if you want to. This has got pretty much everything you can possibly want in it, but look at how clean. I wish I knew how they kept it so clean. This is cleaner than my own car. I hate to say it. Anyway, that is a 2014 Freightliner Cascadia CA125 model. Look at that floorboard. Man, it doesn't look like anybody's ever stepped on it. Look at this. You guys up north, if it's not brand new, it don't look like that, huh? Hey, if you can use that truck, lots of power, 15-liter, Detroit automatic, I'm sorry, not an automatic, 10-speed Eaton. It's got all the right stuff on them. Tandem air ride seats, both sides, air ride suspension. Yeah, it's got an air ride cab on it too. Forgot to show that to you, but yeah, there's your dual pistons down there, air ride cab. Got your little catwalk. I think you take this thing home, you hook up to a trailer, and you start making money. That's what I think. If you can use that beautiful truck, you give me a call. My cell phone number is 602-510-5444. And as always, I greatly appreciate you looking.